Let It Bleed is the 8th British and 10th American studio album by English rock band The Rolling Stones, released in December 1969 by Decca Records in the United Kingdom and London Records in the United States. Released shortly after the band's 1969 American tour, it is the follow-up to 1968's Beggars Banquet. As with Beggars Banquet, the album marks a return to the group's more blues sound approach that was prominent in the pre-aftermath period of their career. Additional sounds on the album draw influence from gospel, country blues and country rock. The album was recorded during a period of turmoil in the band. Brian Jones, the band's founder and original leader, had become increasingly unreliable in the studio due to heavy drug use and during most recording sessions was either absent or so incapacitated that he was unable to contribute meaningfully. He was fired in the midst of recording sessions for this album and replaced by Mick Taylor. Jones appeared on this album on only 2 songs, playing backing instruments, and died within a month of being fired. Taylor had been hired after principal recording was complete on many of the tracks and appears on 2 songs, having recorded some guitar overdubs. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.